Citrus chicken. Cut the chicken down the middle into 2 pieces and trim off any excess fat. Sprinkle the rosemary and fresh thyme into the baking tray. Cut half a leek into diagonal pieces and scatter in the tray. After removing the core of 1 medium apple, slice it into 6 to 7 pieces and add to the tray. Place the 2 halves of chicken on top of the ingredients. In a separate pan, melt 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of butter. Grate the orange zest and add to the pan. Then add the juice of the oranges. Stir over medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes until the butter melts into a sauce, then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Carefully pour the sauce over the chicken, making sure it covers all the meat. Bake for 45 minutes in an oven preheated to 175 degrees centigrade. Serve hot.